Incremental greetings. So you know that themes was the new introduction from Supermemo 18. And now we have Supermemo 19. Do you think, you may think, hey, aren't more themes added? No, I don't think so. Are the same ones. And they do look the same. That's what I thought. I'm using the default Windows theme. And now I'm using Supermemo 19. That's how it looks. Pay attention to that. I will quit Supermemo. And I will be opening the same collection from Supermemo 18 in this case. Nice. Okay, 1 second. Professional. Okay, now it's unlocked. So now I will open the exact same collection. I don't want the ABC here. So, okay, my collection. Then themes. Do you see have windows? Okay, what I have lost is the layout because this depends on the executable. But no worries. It will be easier if I do the warrior layout. Do you see it's still purple? The gradation of purple, mostly white, but pay attention to the statistics window. It's all white as well. I will make the screenshot. Let me open it again with Supermemo 19. Now, my collection, F5. Do you see any difference? Look at the statistics window. For whatever reason, I asked to Piotr Wozniak, and that is intended. It's intentional. That all of what you see that is yellow is intended to be yellow. It's terrible. Not only looks terrible, looks distracting. Too much focus over white. It looks a lot better on the older Supermemo 18. And for whatever reason, this only affects certain themes. Like Windows, you cannot see, you won't be able to see this in the preview. So let's say this one. And this one, for whatever reason, is not affected. Not on the fields, but this is still affected at the bottom. So when there are no more fields, it's empty space, you get this yellow color, yellow background. So if you just adjust it, okay, no big deal. You don't see this yellow. So this is fine. This theme actually works, turquoise gray. But if I put another one, sky, let's say, happens the same thing. So this is a feature. It's intentional. I don't know why. So if you dislike this yellow thing and you want to use Supermemo 19, adjust the layout so you don't see this ever. And in case you use a dark theme, it's the same thing. It even contrasts more the yellow over black. This is terrible. Terrible decision. You cannot change that. So at least for now, the only solution, either resize the collection, and in case you don't even like that, just use the themes, very few themes that are not affected, like this. So okay, instead of Supermemo Windows 10, instead of Windows, that everything is yellow, is terrible, then I am forced in Supermemo 19 to select the Windows 10. That is slightly different. Do you see I no longer have the pinkish, purplish colors, but I don't have either the yellowish colors in the stats window. That you don't use the stats window at all. Okay, no worries. That doesn't affect you. That you use the stats window, which I suggest, at least for this, for the review field, is the only place on the interface that you know if you are in the pending queue, you are in the neural review, subset review, it's only shown here. That's why I have the stats window at all times. So remember this limitation. Is Supermemo 1907 We'll fix this, or 20, but for now, this cannot be changed. It is what it is. Hope this detail is covered and doesn't provide any friction. See you incrementally.